Hello everyone, today I'll tell you how to care your hibiscus plant. This plant, as you can see, has a good flower and a couple of buds in most of the branches. Okay, so what happened is around summertime, March to June, July, it had a mealybug attack, and after that all the leaves were turned into yellowish and buds were falling down. So this is a common problem in hibiscus. It is a white color insect called mealybug, and it sucks all the nutrients from the branches, and also the spider mite, which sucks the juice, and after that the plant becomes weak and it stops giving flower. So what you need to do is, there is a solution called in the market imidacloprid. You can buy that with around 30-40 rupees and spray it little bit in 1 liter of water, maybe 1 gram or 2 gram in 1 liter of water, and then all the mealybugs will die. And after that, as a fertilizer, you should give vermicompost, or if you do not have that, buy NPK 20-20-20 from the market, and you will get it for 1 kg of around 100 rupees, and put it 2 grams in 1 or 2 liter of water and give it in the soil. Make sure you do not give it in a more quantity, and make sure that whenever you water, you do not do the over watering. The water should drain out from the drainage hole. So like you can see, I have given the water, but it's not standing anywhere around. And you shouldn't dig around the soil too much time to time, because hibiscus likes to the root pounding. So you do not need to dig in all the time. And then fertilize with vermicompost or cow dung fertilizer, and make sure to check about the mealybugs in every 15 days. After that, if you see there is no growth happening in since many days, maybe you should prune it. So in my case, there is no requirement because it's all new branches, but if you have a lot of old branches, then you should prune the top one so that the new branches can come out and only the flower comes in the new branch. If you look at here, this new branch has given me a lot of buds. So after some time, if it stops giving the flower, I'll cut it from here. Okay, so that's the thing. And the same thing, remember, do not put DAP in this one because it likes potash related fertilizer. So always give NPK 0050 if you have, or potassium if you have. Else you can go for balanced fertilizer NPK 20-20-20. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you would be able to take care about your hibiscus in a better way. Thank you.